In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log out of Ubisoft Connect on Rainbow Six Siege. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this either by opening up Rainbow Six Siege first, or I recommend closing the game before following through with the method I'm gonna show you in this video. If you are playing through Steam, make sure that Steam is running and that you can start Rainbow Six Siege through Steam itself. First, open up Ubisoft Connect. If it's running on the background on your computer and you are signed into your account, just click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, you just have to select Log Out from that menu. You can then, for example, if you want to open up Rainbow Six Siege through Steam, just go to Steam and open it through there, or log into the new Ubisoft Connect account that you want to use. Like I said, you can either open it through Steam first and they will ask you to sign into the new account, or you can just log into the new one using Ubisoft Connect. After you are done, the new account will be used for Rainbow Six Siege instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of Ubisoft Connect on Rainbow Six Siege. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.